Oh my God. Ito, maliliit. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, like this. I can't remember kung ano pa yung... Marami. Siguro pag tinanggal mo to, ayan, around $7 lang siya. Naka-dikit siya. Okay, so, pang small...
Hey guys, it's around 8 p.m. in the evening and guess what? Kakadating lang ng aking Taobao parcels! OMG, nakasako pa talaga siya. Ayan. Anyway, sobrang pawis ko kasi kinarga ko lahat ng to from the ground floor going here sa second floor kung nasaan yung unit ko kasi wala kaming elevator. I'm super excited na i-open to. Hopefully, maganda yung quality ng mga napili natin. Anyway, okay. Box din actually siya ang nasa loob ng sako. Oh my God. Kasi iba-iba yung seller eh. So, siguro sila lang yung C&E pala yung courier dito. Kaya siguro inisa na nila lahat. Anyway, sana walang damage dito sa mga to. Ito, maliliit. Oh God, this one is a bit heavy. Okay. Okay, so let's open our first box. Again, I forgot kung ano na yung mga pinag-order ko sa Taobao. Oh my God, pawis na pawis pa din ako. Sobrang init. Nagbuhat pa ako ng mga parcels galing sa baba. Anyway. Yeah, I remember what this is. This is for the sink actually. Nalagayin mo ng mga sabon, ng sponge para mas hygienic siya. Hindi siya naglalapat dun sa counter. So, it's also a bit slanted para yung water is mag-drip lang siya. I think this is gonna fit my sink, so let's try it later. So, yan. Okay naman, actually. Hopefully, hindi siya mag-rust agad. Okay, one down. Next one, we have this white. Okay. This is for the restroom. Ayan. So, actually, I bought two and yung parang grayish yung kinuha ko kasi it matches the tiles in my bathroom. Okay naman actually yung quality niya. Though, of course, plastic siya. Pero, ano naman siya tingnan? Medyo social siyang tingnan. Hindi siya chipipay tingnan. Ayan. So, yeah. So, it's a suction actually. So, you can, suction this and mas magiging organized na yung sink ko. Kasi, I can hang my, mga face wash and, toothbrush, everything. So, I can hang it na hindi siya nakalapag sa sink. So, yun, so happy. Okay, next, we have this big flat box. Let's see what's inside. Most of the items that I bought talaga is for home organization. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng organized na bahay. Ayoko yung pakalat-kalat yung mga gamit. Because an organized, house, you also have an organized mind, I can't remember what this is, but it's something na kailangan mong i-assemble. Definitely. So, may mga kahoy. And, yeah. I remember. This is a table stand, like a laptop stand. Ganyan. Okay. Got it. Okay. So, kailangan natin siyang i-assemble. We have some screws here. Yep. Okay, next. This one I know. This is kitchen cabinet organizer. So, ayan. Asan ba? Yeah, like this. Para yung mga pots and pans, like under the sink cabinet is meron siyang layers para hindi sayang yung space ng cabinet kasi wala siyang mga patungan. So, this is a space organizer din. So, lahat ng mga ito is kailangan nating i-assemble, of course. And I don't know when will I have time to assemble this, but actually, naglaan lang ako ng 1 hour para mag-unboxing ng mga parcels ko kasi I still have some work to do. So, meron naman siyang instruction manual. So, I guess I could do this. Okay, let's not forget the screws. Naka-dikit siya sa carton. Never pa akong nakatanggap ng parcel ng 8 p.m. ng gabi. Parang ngayon lang. Kaya, nag-wash na ako. Kasi I didn't expect na darating pa sila. So, I have to wash again. So, next, we have our... I don't know. Let's open it. These are for the dog. This is for my dog.
Para siyang gloves that you can clean them. Ayan. And then, what's this? Oh, no. Poop bag. Tignan nyo, ang cute. So, it's a poop bag. And then, meron siyang parang cotton sa loob para mas hygienic yung pag-pick up mo ng poop. Cute, no? Okay, so, meron pa pala. So, I think this is the last item from the big sako. Ano pa bang in-order ko na? Can't remember kung ano pa yung in-order ko. Yeah. Oh, these are some household items. So, we have some, these are garbage bags actually. Garbage bags where they are scented. So, I think this is jasmine scented. And I bought a lot, you know. Garbage bags are quite expensive. So, sobrang mura lang niya. So, I bought a lot of garbage bags in Taobao. 4, 5, 6. I guess these are 6 and marami to eh. I think this is 100 at the upper roll. Oh, we also have some toilet cover. Cute! Diba? Para comfy and malambot yung inuupuan natin sa toilet. So, I got 2. This is a blue one and this is the yellow one. Okay, next we have some kitchen towels. Cute lang na kitchen towels. But this is the cutest kitchen towel. It's flowery and I think this is quite absorbent type of towel. I think this is the table organizer na binili ko. Wait lang. I don't really know. And always naman talaga, di ba, pag bibili ka sa Taobao or any online shop, it's always a gamble. Kasi minsan, expectation versus reality. Pero, hindi ako bumibili ng... So, this one, I guess this is the table organizer. Ang daming screws. Kailangan nating mag-assemble. Ito yung table organizer na in-order ko. And it's really pretty. Okay. Clear kasi siya. So, ito yung parang, sa gilid. Ganyan ata to. Anyway, I'll figure this out later. Okay, so meron siyang plastic. And then may plastic din siya sa likod, I guess. Yeah, may plastic naman siya. So, siguro pag tinanggal mo to, ayan, medyo clear na siya. Anyway. So, let's try to assemble this when we have time tomorrow. And I remember, dalawa yung in-order ko. Dalawang kulay. Ha? Tatlo? Dalawa lang yung in-order ko. This one. Oh my God. Tatlo ba yung in-order ko? I can't remember. Jeez. Ba't tatlo to? Anyway, nasa lang naman kasi to, mga $7. Nilo! Alis ka dyan, alis ka. Around $7 lang siya. So, nothing's left there. Okay, so medyo marami-rami na yon, but we have more to go. Okay, by the way guys, sa Taobao, hindi naman kailangan sobrang dami ng kailangan mong bilhin to get a free delivery. Parang $14 and up lang ata. But itong lahat ng binili ko, including those 2 cabinets na malalaking, what are you looking at? What are you looking at, my love? Nasa $100 lang ata binayaran ko. Yeah, just over $100. And ang dami na nila. Ano to? Hindi ako bumibili ng items na walang review. So, gusto ko talaga may review and then may pictures and videos ng actual product para hindi tayo expectation versus reality. Anyway. What is this, Lilo? Oh my God! Ang laki pala nitong basurahan na to. Parang mali yung estimate ko ng size ng basurahan. Ba't ang laki nito? But what I love about this garbage can, guys, kasi meron siyang maliit na compartment. So, like, if you have... If you have yung parang... anong tawag nito? Mga leftover na food, diba? So, pwede mo siyang i-separate. Pero ba't ang laki? I thought it's gonna be a bit smaller. Hindi ko siya mag-gets kung paano ang everything. Parang ganyan naman siya. Pero ayaw niyang open. Siguro ba na? Siguro siya. Okay, so that's all from the sako bag. And now we move on to the big ones. Though, alam ko naman na kung ano yung laman ng mga malalaking box na yon kasi they are they are cabinets. They're file cabinets. But this one, I don't know. And ano lang din siya, magaan lang siya. So, let's see kung ano to. Okay, so unahin natin tong storage cabinet. Actually, ito pala this is for my, ano ba, yung mga supplies ko, like skincare, or pag namimili ako ahead ng mga toiletries, minsan, I wanna keep them. And yung mga makeup items, ganun. So, hopefully, this is good quality para hindi naman sayang yung pera natin. Okay, but actually, this was marketed as a nail supplies or something? I don't know. I just want something that can hold my stuff together. Ooh, I love it kasi so hindi ko na kailangang mag-assemble kasi naka-assemble na siya. This is nice. Parang wheels na. Oh, this is... Wait lang. Quality-wise, maganda ha. Maganda yung feels ng plastic niya. Hindi siya the cheap plastic type na manipis. It's a good quality na material. But, okay lang. Kasi mga lipsticks and kaya rito sa mga lipstick supplies and everything. And what I like about this is, tingnan nyo, iba-iba yung size per layer niya. Ito, manipis lang, and then it gets deeper. Mas deeper siya hanggang sa pailalim. And it has some compartments. Ayan, if gusto mong i-compartmentalize ng ganyan, it also has. Until dito sa baba. Ayan. So, mas kapal na siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, you also have this one. You have lipsticks and small items. So, can. Okay, so, pang small items to na cabinet. Let's see if paano ko ma-organize yung mga gamit ko dito. But, so far naman, I like it. And this is supposed to have wheels. So, hanapin natin yung wheels niya. Ano yung wheels mo? Ayun, sa baba. In fairness, ang dami Ang dami ng ganito niya. 3. Like, 3 piraso. Okay, and I love the feel ng plastic. As in, makapal siya. Naka-hype naman ako sa mga gamit. I don't know why. Baka pagod lang siguro talaga ako. Anyway, so, ito yung wheels niya. Ayan. So, of course, it has 4 pieces of wheels. Kabit lang natin real quick. Oh, God. Okay. Guys, tatanggal pala siya. This one, sa taas, it's removable. Ayan. So, we have our first cabinet. Okay, now we come down to our last item for tonight. So, medyo pagod na rin ako, kaya let's finish this. Okay, so this one is actually the, baliktad siya. Ito talaga yung pang office na cabinet for my files and mga gadgets. So, hopefully is, the size is right. Kasya yung gamit ko dito. And hopefully, naka-assemble na siya para hindi na tayo mag-assemble. Okay. Oh, I think so. Naka-assemble na siya. Let's see. Oh, parang tama pala yung kanina. Okay. Hirap. Okay. Tama ba? Baliktad nga siya. Same sila ng size na tong isa. Yeah, they're quite the same size. So, lagay lang natin yung kanyang wheels. So right out of the box verdict, masaya naman ako sa mga items na nabili ko sa Taobao. And I'm very happy na meron ng cheaper option dito sa Phnom Penh with items that we need every day like sa bahay and mga organizers. Yeah, and everything that we need at home actually. Hindi ko pa masyado na-explore yung Taobao kung ano pa yung iba na pwede kong bilhin doon. But for sure, everything is there. Yeah, so first purchase in Taobao. I'm quite happy with my first haul. And hopefully, they're all good. Hindi ko pa naman sila nagagamit. But again, right out of the box, I'm very happy with what we got. Yun, so maging very cautious lang siguro natin pag tayo bumibili ng mga items online. Because of course, gusto nating makatipid, kaya tayo bumibili online. But yeah, just make sure na may mga reviews yung binibili nyo and then really choose well. Kaya you have to spend time then to review each item. And then yung seller, if possible, yung maraming followers and maraming engagements. Kasi marami din kasing sellers I saw na konti lang yung followers nila, so you won't really know yung quality ng products nila unless may mga reviews, diba? So, yun lang naman. I have to fix everything pa and siguro tomorrow ko na i-assemble yung ibang items na need ng assembly. So, yun lang naman. That is our first Taobao haul, and if ever in the future I still need some things here in the house, which I would, yung mga supplies. Yung mga supplies natin, the garbage bag and everything, bibili pa ako for sure, and bultuhan natin siya bibili para mas makunta tayo. So, yun lang naman guys. Good night, and thank you for watching. Bye!